Hello, I'm Ken Traynor. I'm the president of the Cowichan Lake and River Stewardship Society, and what we're hoping to accomplish today is we want to show you a new program that we're offering to shoreline owners, where we'll come out and show on your beach what would be exactly where the lake levels would fall on your beach if the weir is raised as has been proposed under the Cowichan Valley Water Use Plan. So why do we need to raise the weir? It's really important that everybody understands that the climate change impacts have arrived in the valley. What we see is that there's 33% less water flowing into the lake during the summer months from July to August. And what that means is that there isn't enough water to keep significant flows in the river all the way through the summer. So the best solution we have is to raise the weir. We understand that for many people, then what are the implications of raising the weir? And that's what we want to do. We want to come out to your beach and show you exactly where the current weir levels are. We want to show you where the proposal to raise it by 30 centimeters would fall, and where the proposal to raise it 70 centimeters would fall, and exactly where the current high water mark is on your beach. So here's how we do it. Is that first thing in the day we go to wateroffice.ec.ca, where we can find out exactly what the current lake level is. Today that was 161.48 meters. Then what we do is we can calculate where the current weir would be on July 1st, which is this level. The proposal to raise it by 30 centimeters means this would be the lake level that would be. And the proposal, if we raised it to 70 centimeters above the current weir, it would raise here. But the important point to note is that the average high water mark is at the top of this pole, which is 164 meters above sea level, and last year it was actually 164.4 meters above. So those are the calculations we'd use. We then use a laser level to determine exactly where those levels fall on your beach, and we mark them. So this is what we're going to do, is we've got the laser set at the exact level that the current weir height is. That's here on our stick. We're then going to find where that laser level, that laser point is on the beach, and we're going to mark that spot. We then raise the level by 30 centimeters. And then we do exactly the same thing again. We then raise it again to 70 centimeters, mark that spot on the beach, and then finally is that we mark the high water mark on the beach. And to do that, we actually have a small reflector which allows us to follow the beam of the laser until it intersects the beach. So what we do now is we use that reflector to trace the beam across the beach, and then where it intersects the beach is where Jean is right now, and we mark where that point is. We then repeat it for 30 centimeters, 70 centimeters, and for the high water mark. So we end up with a graphic representation of exactly where on your beach the various lake levels intersect your beach. We then go and measure the distance from the shoreline to each of those points, and we send you a picture report in those distances, so you'll have a record of exactly what raising the weir would mean on your beach. So this is where the average high water mark, 164 meters, lands on this beach. It's important to know, you can see that all of the weir heights are below this mark, and in the winter the weir is completely underwater and has no impact whatsoever on the height of lake levels. Now you've seen the process that we do. We'd be more than happy to come and do it on your beach so you can understand the implications of raising the weir. All you have to do is contact us and we'll arrange a time to come and meet. Thanks for taking the time to get yourself informed.